I'll never forget stepping out of the Arlanda Express into Stockholm's icy heart one January afternoon. The city was blanketed in white, the air crisp and sharp, and every breath felt like a new adventure. I'd seen snow before, but never like this, never so cold, so beautiful, and so alive with possibility. The cold was a shock after sunny Florida. My puffy coat and hat felt useless against the wind. I remember thinking I'd prepared, but the chill cut right through me, making me question every packing decision I'd made. My fingers tingled, my nose stung, and I wondered how anyone could call this home. My cheeks froze, breath clouded, and I dashed into the nearest cafe, clutching a hot coffee. The warmth inside was a relief, and I watched the snow swirl outside the window, feeling both like an outsider and a curious explorer. That first sip of coffee was more than just a drink. It was a lifeline. Watching the locals, I realized they weren't bundled up like me. They looked comfortable, even stylish. Some wore light layers, others had scarves artfully draped, but no one seemed to be suffering. It was as if they'd mastered the art of winter living, moving with ease through the snow and wind. That's when it hit me. Staying warm isn't about one giant coat. It's a strategy. It's about knowing how to layer, how to choose the right fabrics, and how to adapt to changing weather. I realized I had a lot to learn if I wanted to thrive, not just survive, in the cold. It's about understanding the cold, not just fighting it. The locals didn't fear winter, they respected it, and worked with it. I started to see the beauty in the challenge, the opportunity to grow and adapt. That day changed how I travel in winter. I began to pay attention to the little things, how people moved, what they wore, and how they found joy in the season. I started to see winter not as an obstacle, but as an invitation. True comfort in the cold means being smart, not just avoiding the outdoors. It's about embracing the season, finding ways to enjoy the fresh air, and discovering the small pleasures that winter brings, like the crunch of snow underfoot, or the glow of city lights on a frosty evening. With the right tricks, you can actually enjoy the sparkle of frost, the peace of snowy parks, and the buzz of winter markets. Suddenly the city felt alive in a new way, full of hidden corners and cozy moments waiting to be discovered. If you're shivering, you miss the magic. The secret is preparation. Packing smart, learning from locals, and being open to new experiences can turn even the coldest day into something special. From that chilly afternoon, I made a promise. Don't let weather dictate your joy. Let curiosity and preparation guide you instead. Every season has its own magic if you're willing to look for it. Embrace the season. Find the magic. Let yourself be surprised by what winter can offer, and you'll discover a whole new side of travel. It's not about expensive gear or being extreme. It's about practical knowledge anyone can use. Simple tricks, like layering and choosing the right accessories, can make all the difference. So let's dive into how you can turn any cold trip into a cozy, memorable adventure. One where you don't just endure the winter, but truly enjoy it. The number one rule for staying warm in winter, it's not just about piling on as many clothes as you can find, it's about being smart and strategic with what you wear, so you can stay comfortable no matter what the weather throws at you. Dress in layers, but do it right. Layering is more than just a fashion statement, it's a science that helps you regulate your body temperature and stay dry, warm, and protected from the elements. Think of it as building a cozy house for your body with three essential parts: the base, the middle, and the outer shell. Each layer has a specific job, and together, they create a system that keeps you comfortable in changing conditions. The base layer sits next to your skin and wicks away sweat. Never wear cotton here. Choose materials like merino wool or synthetic fabrics, which pull moisture away and keep you dry, even if you start to sweat during a brisk walk or a snowball fight. The middle layer is your insulation, trapping heat close to you. Fleece, down, or wool work best. This is the layer that keeps you warm by holding in your body heat, so don't be afraid to choose something thick and cozy if it's especially cold outside. This layer is easy to remove if you get too warm indoors. That way, you can quickly adapt when you step inside a warm cafe or hop on public transport without overheating or feeling stuffy. The outer layer is your shield. Wineproof and waterproof to block the elements. This shell protects you from biting winds, snow, and rain, making sure the warmth you've built up stays with you. It doesn't need to be thick, just protective. A lightweight, breathable shell is often all you need to keep the weather out and your comfort in. The genius of layering is adaptability. Add or remove layers as the weather changes. If the sun comes out or the wind picks up, you can adjust your outfit in seconds, staying comfortable all day long. You're in control, whether it's freezing in the morning or warming up by afternoon. No more shivering at the bus stop or sweating through your clothes by lunchtime. Layers let you move from icy streets to heated museums without discomfort. You can peel off a layer or two and instantly feel at ease, no matter where your day takes you. Master this, and winter travel becomes a breeze. You'll find yourself enjoying the season, rather than dreading the cold. It's the simplest, most effective way to stay comfortable. With the right layers, you can explore, relax, and make the most of every winter day. Don't just pile on clothes. Layer with purpose. Choose each piece for its function, and you'll be amazed at how much warmer and more comfortable you feel. With this system, you'll enjoy every winter moment, indoors and out. Whether you're hiking through snowy parks or sipping cocoa by the fire, you'll always be prepared. Layering is your first step to loving cold weather adventures. Embrace it, and you'll discover that winter can be one of the most enjoyable seasons of all. Now let's talk fabrics, because not all are created equal for warmth. For your base layer, skip cotton. It soaks up sweat and leaves you cold. Choose synthetics like polyester or merino wool. They wick moisture and keep you dry. For insulation, fleece is lightweight, warm, and dries fast. Down is super warm and packable, but loses power when wet. Merino wool sweaters are classic, warm, odor-resistant, and still insulate when damp. For your outer shell, look for windproof and waterproof materials. Gore-Tex is a great example. These keep out wind and water, but let sweat escape, so you stay dry and comfortable. In dry climates, a wind-resistant shell may be enough. Check clothing labels before you pack. Prioritize wool, fleece, down, and smart synthetics. The right materials make a huge difference in comfort. A few smart swaps in your wardrobe can transform your winter travel. Choose wisely, and you'll stay warm no matter where you go. When it comes to braving the cold, it's often the smallest details that make the biggest difference. Accessories are your secret weapons against the cold, and they can turn a miserable, shivery day into a comfortable adventure outdoors. Start with your head. A warm hat that covers your ears is absolutely essential. Wool or fleece hats are best because they trap heat and keep it close to your body, preventing precious warmth from escaping. Remember, a lot of body heat is lost through your head, so don't skip this step. Next, protect your hands. Mittens are generally warmer than gloves because your fingers share warmth, but gloves offer more dexterity for tasks like using your phone or handling zippers. Choose what works best for your activity. For the best of both worlds, try layering thin liner gloves under mittens. This way, you can slip off the mittens for quick tasks without exposing your bare skin to the cold, and still keep your hands warm and flexible. Don't forget your neck. A scarf or neck gaiter is perfect for sealing the gap between your coat and hat. This simple step keeps heat in and blocks out biting wind, making a huge difference in how warm you feel. On especially cold or windy days, pull your scarf or gaiter up over your nose and mouth for extra protection. It helps warm the air you breathe and shields your face from harsh conditions. For your feet, avoid cotton socks at all costs. Cotton holds moisture and will leave your feet cold and damp. Instead, choose wool or synthetic socks, which wick away sweat and keep your toes dry and toasty. Make sure your boots are waterproof and not too tight. You want enough room for warm air to circulate, which acts as insulation. Tight boots can cut off circulation and actually make your feet colder. Cold, damp feet can ruin your day faster than you think, so invest in high-quality socks and boots. Your comfort and health are worth it, especially if you'll be outside for long periods. These small items might seem insignificant, but together, they make a huge difference in your overall comfort and warmth. Packing the right accessories is just as important as your main winter coat. Take care of your extremities, your hands, feet, and head, and the rest of your body will thank you. When your extremities are warm, you feel warmer all over. Don't underestimate the power of the right accessories. They're not just add-ons, they're essential tools for staying comfortable and safe in cold weather. With the right accessories, you complete your winter outfit and unlock the final piece of the warmth puzzle, so you can enjoy every moment, no matter how cold it gets. Staying warm is also about smart planning. Group your sightseeing by neighborhood to minimize long walks in the cold. Use public transportation. It's heated and saves you from the wind. Plan your routes ahead for smooth, comfortable days. Schedule regular indoor breaks. Cafes, museums, or shops are perfect for warming up. Think of your day as short outdoor bursts, punctuated by cozy indoor stops. Do outdoor activities in the warmer midday sun. Save museums and dinners for evening. Align your plans with the sun's rhythm for maximum comfort. With a little strategy, you'll enjoy every winter sight without freezing. Pack more than just clothes. Create a mini warmth kit. Disposable hand and foot warmers are lifesavers on frigid days. Bring thick moisturizer and SPF lip balm to protect your skin from dry, cold air. An insulated thermos with hot tea or coffee keeps you warm on the go. Cold drains phone batteries fast. Carry a power bank and keep devices close to your body. These small extras make winter travel much more comfortable. A little preparation goes a long way. Stay warm, inside and out, wherever you wander. Local comfort food is a delicious way to stay warm. Seek out hearty dishes, goulash, ramen, meat pies, designed for cold days. Embrace local hot drinks, mulled wine, rich hot chocolate, or afternoon tea. Take time to enjoy these rituals, their cultural experiences, and warm-up breaks. Pack energy-dense snacks like nuts or instant oatmeal for quick hot breakfasts. Don't forget to hydrate. Dehydration makes you feel colder. Herbal tea is both warming and hydrating. Many cafes will give you hot water for your own tea bags. Fueling your body helps it generate heat and keeps you energized for adventure. After a cold day, your room should be a cozy retreat. A hot shower or bath quickly warms you up and soothes tired muscles. Pack small comforts, fuzzy slippers, thick socks, or your favorite tea. Use extra blankets or adjust the thermostat for a perfect sleep environment. Lay out your base layer and socks near a heat source for a warm start in the morning. These little rituals turn any room into a restorative home base. Comfort at night means energy for the next day's adventures. Make your space a haven, and winter travel feels luxurious. Winter travel is magical, if you're prepared. There's a unique beauty in snowy cities, twinkling lights, and the hush of fresh snow. Don't let fear of the cold hold you back. With smart layers, warm accessories, and good planning, you can embrace the season. Try ice skating, skiing, or simply walking through a winter landscape. The cold becomes part of the adventure, not an obstacle. You'll discover cozy cafes, hearty foods, and a new rhythm of life. Say yes to snowy destinations. Pack smart, layer up, and explore. Winter travel isn't to be endured, but cherished. The world is just as full of warmth and wonder in winter. Go find it. And for more of the best travel tips, visit www.williguru.com and check out the funny short for this video and all my other videos. Stay warm.